Alright, I wanted to walk through the Fel-Pro head gasket kit and what it says is in it, what you get. There's multiple vehicles, 2.0 liter, 2012, 2018. So certain things in here that work on a 2013 Ford Edge that I'm working on, and I guess some other vehicles with different setups. So let's just kind of go down the list. Valve cover. So with the valve cover gasket, and then the three that go on the inside of the valve cover. The cylinder head gasket right here. It says intake manifold. These guys right here. Exhaust manifold. So this one, this exhaust on this car on the 2013 Ford Edge, but they also have this one for whatever that goes with, so it's not usable for what I need it for. It says spark plug tube seals, which I assume they're referring to the CVT seals that go this way in the valve cover. Valve stem seals, intake and exhaust. One of each of those. Thermostat seal, they've got two listed on here. I don't have to take mine off, but I'm assuming probably these two. It's got 3 throttle bodies listed. Maybe those two. I think this looks like the one that fit on the Edge. Fuel injector O-rings. There's these guys right here, along with their little nylon seals. Turbocharger oil drain. So the turbocharger items. There's, I think, is it 4 of these in here? I think 4 of these guys and 1 of these. And then you get 2 more in another pack. Oil pump mounting. Oil pump inlet tube. Maybe that's what this is for. Not real sure. Crankshaft's front seal is this one. And then it says 4 hose and 4 O-ring and 1 vacuum pump, which I know this is the vacuum pump. I'll show it to you. So here's the vacuum pump, and there's the replacement for it, so that one fits good. The other one, this one, it looks very similar to the high pressure fuel pump seal. So this is the backside of the high pressure fuel pump, the housing for it. And you see this got this little curvature here, and then you've got this new seal that's really close to it, but the curvature's backwards. But I imagine you can just make that form fit into there. So I would think that that would work in there. As far as the turbo, if you've got a 2.0 turbo, this kit actually comes with almost everything except crush washers. So right here, there's an oil feed tube that needs brand new crush washers. So you can get this Fel-Pro kit and have everything exactly as you need it, except you have to go find crush washers. So it'd be nice if they just would have included that, but they don't. So if you got the Ford 2.0 turbo, you need to go get some new one of these or they'll leak. I don't know if we talked about this, but this is the turbo seal that goes between the turbo and the catalytic converter. I am not certain what this is, but you can look it up Fel-Pro 96630, and it'll tell you what it's for. But anyway, I'm just gonna give you a quick unboxing so you know what to expect if you get this and what you need to get. I hope it helps you out. Thanks.